Hi everyone, welcome once again to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. This is lesson number 5 and today we are going to learn the letters I and J. So in Ekegusii, I sounds like E, and a word in Ekegusii that starts with I and that is E in Ekegusii is inche. Inche. Inche means me. So sing together with me. E is for inche. E, inche. E is for inche. E, inche. Okay? All right. Thank you. The next letter is going to be letter J. Letter J doesn't normally naturally appear in the Ekegusii language, but we have some borrowed words that we use letter J. And again, if you want to speak letter J naturally in Ekegusii, sometimes it sounds like the letter Y. This is the examples of the words that we use J differently in Ekegusii. Now, a word like ejagi means the jug. The jug, we just speak the J as it is. There, the word has been borrowed from English and lifted directly the way it is. But things like names that have J, if you translate them to Ekegusii, then the J there becomes like a Y. For example, the name Joseph, if you're going to speak it in Ekegusii, then the name will become Yosef. The J there sounds like Y, and that is how we say the name Joseph in Ekegusii. We say Yosef. So repeat after me. Ejagi, the jug. Yosef, Joseph. Do you know any other words that begin with the letters I and J? Kindly put that in the comments and continue to like, to share, and to follow, and to tag a friend, and leave your names that you know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.